What is going on today, guys? And yes, you are seeing that correctly. Ethereum in the past few days has gone up 30%. And this is pretty much why the past few days we saw Silicon Valley. It went bankrupt, and then the government had to step in. But also, apparently, 2 more banks have also gone bankrupt, I guess you could say. And now the Federal Reserve has launched an emergency lending program to attempt to stem the panic. So, not good news for the American economy. However, it is great news for crypto, great news for Bitcoin and Ethereum, all of that. Because obviously, whenever the banks fail, people have to rely on other things like Bitcoin and other mediums of exchange, because nobody trusts the US dollar anymore. So they have to rely on Bitcoin and Ethereum and all that, all the other cryptos as well. So I'm gonna go check out the weekly chart here. As you can see, we actually tested out of this resistance. We tried to break out. It did not. We are pretty overbought on the RSI. We're at a 55 on the weekly, but we have a very strong weekly candle here, and we need this to close high. We need this to close high right around this resistance level where we're currently trading, and then eventually we can see a breakout towards this 120-day moving average. We need to retest that as well in order to start this this whole bull run. Now, the question is, when will the bull run be? And that's something that I've been trying to figure out, and many other traders as well are trying to figure out if this is the start of the bull run. I personally believe that the bottom is in my opinion. I think that we're not going to go any lower than we have. I think on Ethereum, it's like 880. If I'm zooming out here, yes, 880 for Ethereum. So that was what I believe the bottom is. But I also don't really think we're going to go back down here to $1,200. Although it definitely is possible. Nobody knows. But here on the daily chart, we are seeing a very weak candle, which is why I think this might start to slow up. This little mini bull run that we've seen the past few days. Not many, it's 30%. As we tested down here, the support at 1370. Yeah, no. So I see us kind of coming to a halt up here, as we saw back here. But in order to break above these levels, of course, we have the volume resistance at 1700, as I've said in almost every single video. We need to break that volume resistance in order to go higher. So this is just a quick market update, guys. I don't really have any price targets as of now. I want to see how tomorrow plays out and the rest of today, because, yeah, we're pretty overextended in the short term. We are starting to come down here on the RSI at a 64. Still very overbought. And as you can see here on the MACD, we are starting to slow down a bit. Although good news here on the 4-hourly, the 20-day EMA starting to cross over on the 120-day moving average. So that's a good sign for a bull run, of course. But, you know, that obviously doesn't mean anything, as we've done that multiple times back here, and then we obviously slowed back down and then fell even lower. But on the good side of things, we are starting to make higher highs. So that's good news. Although we do have this very strong bear candle here, and we're starting a new one here on the 4-hourly. So anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to stay tuned for more updates on what's going on in crypto, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe down below, and also turn on the post notifications if you want to stay updated. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.